Have you ever felt like quietly quitting your job? This might sound familiar, right? It's not an uncommon sentiment. We're not talking about laziness or a lack of ambition. We're talking about quiet quitting. It's a concept that's been around for a while, but is only now getting the attention it deserves. It's about knowing when it's time to move on, without the drama or the fanfare. We've got 5 reasons why quiet quitting might just be the right move for you. Firstly, your health should always be your top priority. Now let's delve into how work-related stress can impact this. Imagine a teapot constantly under pressure, the steam building up with nowhere to go. Similarly, chronic stress from an unsatisfying job can lead to a pressure cooker situation in your mind and body. This could manifest as physical ailments like frequent headaches, sleep disorders, or even heart disease. On the mental front, you may experience anxiety, depression, or a general sense of unhappiness. The workplace should not be a battlefield where you're constantly fighting these health issues. If you find yourself in such a situation, it might be time to consider quietly quitting. Remember, it's not about giving up, but about making a choice for better health, better peace of mind. Because at the end of the day, your health is priceless and no job is worth sacrificing it. Secondly, personal and professional growth is paramount. Think about it. We're not trees stuck in one place, doomed to only grow taller in the same spot. We're more like vines, meant to spread, explore, and flourish in different directions. Growth is a fundamental part of our nature. Now consider your job. If you feel like you're stuck in a rut, like you're not going anywhere or learning anything new, it's a clear sign that you're not growing. You're essentially a vine that stopped spreading. Stagnation can be a growth killer, and it's something you should take seriously. A job isn't just a means to earn a living, it's a platform for you to learn, innovate, and expand your horizons. If your current job doesn't offer opportunities for advancement or learning, then perhaps it's time for a change. Remember, you're not a tree, you're a vine. You deserve a job where you can continually learn and grow. Thirdly, alignment with your company's values is crucial. Imagine this. You're a puzzle piece and your job is the puzzle. If you don't fit, something's off. It's the same with your personal values and the company's culture. If there's a misalignment, it can lead to dissatisfaction. Picture this. You're a staunch advocate for sustainable practices, yet your company's actions scream otherwise. Or perhaps you believe in a balanced work-life rhythm, but your job demands constant overtime. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. It's not going to work. This misalignment isn't just about discomfort, it's about integrity. It's about being true to who you are and what you stand for. When your job doesn't align with your core values, it might be time to consider quiet quitting. After all, you deserve a job that respects your beliefs, fuels your passion, and nurtures your growth. It's important to work somewhere that resonates with who you are. Fourthly and finally, passion and environment play a huge role. Let's start with passion. Passion is that spark that gets you up in the morning eager to face the day. But when you lose that spark, your job becomes a chore, not a joy. It's like the color drains out of your work life, leaving it in shades of gray. You find yourself just going through the motions, feeling uninspired and unfulfilled. Now let's talk about the environment. Imagine being in a place where negativity, backbiting, and stress are the daily norms. It's like being in a storm constantly. This toxic environment can drain your energy, enthusiasm, and even your self-esteem. If you find yourself in a job where you lack passion and are stuck in a toxic environment, it might be time to consider quietly quitting. Why? Because you deserve better. You deserve a job that you're passionate about and a work environment that uplifts you. So there you have it, 5 reasons why quiet quitting might be the right move for you. We've explored the impact on your health, the importance of continual growth, aligning with your values, reigniting your passion, and cultivating a healthy environment. Quiet quitting isn't about surrendering, but rather a step towards betterment. It's not just about leaving a job, but prioritizing your well-being and happiness above all. Remember, life is too short to be stuck in a job that doesn't make you happy. It's your career, take control. Thank you for watching. If you found value in today's video, please hit that subscribe button for more helpful content. Got questions or ideas? Comment below or connect with me on LinkedIn, especially if you're exploring opportunities or hiring. Remember, it only takes one opportunity to transform your career journey. Keep striving and stay optimistic. Your persistence will pay off. Peace and success to you.